Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to install Inventor, a computer-aided drawing software, CAD, which helps us to draw or model designs on a virtual platform. CAD is usually used in mechanical engineering, where communication is done in terms of diagrams and pictorial representation. As you know, we, as Team Anonymous, participate in ROBOCON. If you don't know what is ROBOCON, check out our earlier video. In ROBOCON, we have two phases, where the first phase is the document approval. Only if a team clears the round, it will be able to participate in the main competition. So, it is a crucial stage for the team to enter the competition. CAD model is one of the most important requirement, as it is the illustration of robot structure and also proves our robot's construction eligible as per the rule book. So let's get started. This video is regarding how to install Inventor student version and how to acquire a student's license for an Inventor. Before beginning with the tutorial, keep a copy of a document which consists of your name, your college or institute name and the current year, as it will be required later. Firstly, we will start by opening our browser. Any browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge can be used. Next, type Autodesk and press enter. From the options provided, select the option shown on the screen. You will now be on the home screen of Autodesk official site. Autodesk not only provides services for engineering but also for various other fields such as architecture, graphic designing, etc. From all this, select the three horizontal lines at top right part of the web page. Now you see a drop down list. From the options, select Students and Educators. You will see numerous options at the top for students and following educational plans. Select the Get Products tab, which will lead you to a page for checking your eligibility, which confirms that you are a student and allows you to use the student's version. Select the Get Started tab, and here we are on the registration page. Simply add the details that are asked for, and later when asked for verification via a document, upload the document which we arranged beforehand and submit. Wait for some time and you will receive a confirmation mail. Later, get back to the home page and log in if you are logged out. And then continue with the selection. Choose a version like 2017 or 18 as it is the most suitable. There will be a download for Autodesk Download Manager. Let the download complete. The program is of 12 GB, so it might take time according to your internet connection. Later, the installer will run automatically. Press next and installation will be completed. In this video, we successfully installed the Autodesk Inventor software. In the next, we will explore the software from the beginning. So, stay tuned with our channel and we will see you soon.